Hot flashes are a sudden surge of intense warmth, often spreading from the chest to the face. This sensation leaves a trail of perspiration, making you feel as though you've just stepped out of a sauna. Hot flashes are common for women transitioning through menopause. They can catch you off guard at any moment. While often associated with menopause, hot flashes can also arise from other hormonal shifts, medications, or underlying health conditions. Understanding the root cause is important. The experience of a hot flash can vary greatly from woman to woman, influenced by factors like genetics, lifestyle, and overall health. Some may experience a mild flush, a gentle reminder of the body's changing landscape. Others endure a more intense, fiery wave that can be overwhelming and distressing. The intensity can vary not just from woman to woman, but from one episode to the next. The unpredictable nature of hot flashes can be disruptive, impacting sleep, mood, and overall well-being. Nighttime hot flashes in particular can lead to restless nights and fatigue, affecting daily life. Understanding the causes, recognizing the symptoms, and exploring available treatments can empower women to navigate this phase with greater ease. Knowledge is power, and being informed can make a significant difference. This journey is about restoring balance, embracing change, and rediscovering vitality. Engaging in activities like yoga, meditation, and spending time in nature can help manage symptoms and promote overall well-being. Staying hydrated, maintaining a healthy diet, and regular physical activity are also crucial in managing hot flashes. These lifestyle changes can help mitigate the intensity and frequency of hot flashes. Support from friends, family, and support groups can provide emotional comfort and practical advice. Sharing experiences and tips with others going through the same journey can be incredibly reassuring. Taking time for self-care, whether through journaling, reading, or simply relaxing with a cup of tea, can also play a significant role in managing stress and improving overall quality of life. Consulting with healthcare providers to develop a personalized treatment plan can provide targeted relief and help manage symptoms effectively. This collaborative approach ensures that each woman receives the care and support she needs. Ultimately, navigating hot flashes is about embracing this phase of life with confidence and self-compassion. It's a time to listen to your body, honor its needs, and celebrate the strength and resilience that comes with this transformative journey. Hot flashes can manifest in a variety of ways. Recognizing your body's symptoms is key to finding relief. The hallmark of a hot flash is a rapid surge of warmth, typically felt in the chest, face, and neck. Your skin might turn red and flushed, as if you've just completed a vigorous workout. Accompanying this warmth is often a rapid heartbeat, as if your heart is racing to keep up with the sudden change in temperature. Perspiration, particularly on the upper body, is another common companion. Some women experience a mild dampness, while others find themselves drenched in sweat. These physical sensations can be accompanied by feelings of anxiety, restlessness, or even dizziness. Lifestyle modifications for relief. There are ways to manage hot flashes through simple yet powerful lifestyle modifications. These adjustments can help restore a sense of calm and control. First and foremost, pay attention to your body's internal thermostat. Identify and avoid triggers that seem to ignite the inferno within. Common culprits include spicy foods, caffeine, alcohol, and even tight clothing. Creating a cool and comfortable environment can make a world of difference. Dress in layers, keep your bedroom cool at night, and consider using a fan or air conditioning to regulate your surroundings. Herbal allies, nature's cooling embrace. Natural remedies have been used for generations to help with various health issues, including hot flashes. For centuries, women have turned to the wisdom of nature, finding solace in the healing embrace of herbs. These botanical allies have been more than just plants. They have been companions in the journey of health and wellness, offering a gentle touch in times of need. These botanical allies, with their gentle yet potent properties, can offer a natural approach to restoring balance and taming the flames of hot flashes. The process of brewing herbal tea, the ritual of taking supplements, and the simple act of incorporating these herbs into daily life can create a profound impact on one's well-being. Black cohosh, a flowering plant native to North America, has long been revered for its ability to alleviate menopausal symptoms, including hot flashes. This plant, with its delicate white flowers, stands as a beacon of hope for many women seeking relief from the discomforts of menopause. Its root, rich in compounds that mimic the effects of estrogen, may help to rebalance hormone levels and reduce the frequency and intensity of hot flashes. The preparation of black cohosh roots into various forms of remedies is a meticulous process, ensuring that the maximum benefits are harnessed from this potent plant. Evening primrose oil, derived from the seeds of a beautiful yellow flower, is another botanical gem prized for its ability to soothe menopausal woes. The vibrant yellow blooms of the evening primrose are not just a sight to behold, but a source of powerful healing properties. Rich in gamma-linolenic acid and omega-6 fatty acid, evening primrose oil may help to regulate hormone production and reduce inflammation, potentially easing the discomfort of hot flashes. The oil, often encapsulated for easy consumption, is a testament to nature's ability to provide solutions to modern health challenges. By incorporating evening primrose oil into their routine, many women find a natural way to manage the symptoms of menopause, embracing a holistic approach to health and wellness. In the end, the embrace of nature's cooling remedies offers not just relief, but a connection to the earth's ancient wisdom. These herbs and oils, with their time-honored benefits, remind us of the power and grace of the natural world. They invite us to slow down, to listen to our bodies, and to find harmony in the rhythms of nature. Whether through the calming ritual of brewing tea or the simple act of taking a supplement, these botanical allies stand ready to support us on our journey to wellness. Tapping into inner peace. Beyond herbs and lifestyle changes, the mind-body connection is a powerful ally in relieving hot flashes. Stress can worsen hot flashes, while relaxation techniques can help reduce them. Deep breathing exercises can effectively reduce the intensity and duration of hot flashes. When you feel the heat rising, pause, close your eyes, and take several slow, deep breaths. Yoga, with its gentle movements and focus on breath work, is another tool for managing hot flashes. Regular practice can reduce stress, improve sleep, and promote overall well-being. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next video.